Hello everyone, this is Paul Zhang. I'm here to introduce some basic accounting standards. Do you ever feel confused? Or you don't want to read the book? Or even though you read the book but still don't understand? Don't worry, I will help you. Today I will be introducing two major sections of CSA handbooks, which are GAAP and IFRS, and some other standards which contained in these sections. GAAP, aka General Accepted Accounting Principles, which are widely used in both America and Canada. IFRS, aka International Financial Reporting Standards, are a set of international accounting standards starting how particular types of transactions and other events should be reported in financial statements. In recent years, both the US and Canadian accountants are trying to use IFRS instead of GAAP with one simple reason. Because there are over 110 countries are using IFRS, and the rules are set for international. International means more trade. Next, I'm going to talk about the difference between GAAP and IFRS on balance sheet. For GAAP balance sheet, there are asset, liability, and equity, but they are very general. As for IFRS, they diverge into current and long-term asset and current and long-term liability, but which are more easily to be defined. Now I will be introducing four other accounting standards, which are business entity, cost principle, going concern concept, and revaluation model. Business entity transactions are associated with a business must be separately recorded from those of its owners or other business. For example, people were using their personal expenses into their transactions to get a tax evasion. As for cost principle, it requires that assets must be recorded as a cash amount at the time that the asset is acquired. Then for going concern concept, it's the assumption that the company will continue on long enough to carry out its objectives and commitments. Last, we will be talking about revaluation model. Last, for revaluation model, it's a fixed asset as its revalued amount on the balance sheet. For example, a car is worth 100,000 at the first time, and after a few years, it becomes 50,000. Last, as a summary, today we talked about cost principle, business entity, going concern concept, and the revaluation model. Well, after this video, if you have any other questions, please email me at lufe12304@gmail.com. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great, lovely day.
Created using Powtoon.